How to install Daraz on your Android device. So first, go ahead and open Play Store on your phone. After you open Play Store, you'll see three options on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on the search button, which is located on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the search bar, which is located at the top. After tapping on the search bar, simply type in Daraz and enter. Then you'll see an app which is launched by Daraz Mobile, which has more than 100 million plus downloads. Then simply tap on the install button, which is located right below. Then after a few moments, Daraz will be installed on your device. So this is it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.